Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Hemingway Editor for readability SEO improvements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Hemingway Editor website or launching the application. Once you're on the main interface, you'll see a blank text area. Begin by pasting your content into the editor. If you prefer, you can also write directly into the text area. Hemingway will automatically analyze your text for readability as you type or paste. Pay attention to the color-coded highlights that indicate different issues. Sentences highlighted in yellow suggest they are too complicated. Try to simplify these sentences for better clarity. Sentences highlighted in red are overly complex. Aim to break these down into shorter, more digestible pieces. The editor will also highlight adverbs in blue. Limit your use of adverbs to strengthen your writing. Next, focus on passive voice that is marked in green. Convert passive constructions into active voice for more impact. Look at the readability score on the right side of the screen. A lower grade level indicates easier readability. Your goal should be a score between grade 6 and 8 for optimal SEO. Use the suggestions provided by Hemingway to make adjustments. After making changes, keep an eye on the word count. Aim for concise writing while retaining essential content. Once you've completed your edits, copy the revised text back to your preferred platform. If you wish to save your work, use the export options available. Consider switching to the full screen mode for a distraction-free experience. Utilize the formatting options to help your text stand out. Integrate headings and bullet points where necessary for better organization. Regularly return to Hemingway as you write to maintain high readability. Finally, remember that clarity and simplicity enhance reader engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.